Okay, we are going to go find our math assessments. We're going to start in the core LMS and we're going to go to SchoolNet. Once you're in SchoolNet, you're going to go over here to the sidebar and click on Instructional Materials. Then we need to filter it just to math and search. Scroll down to the unit you want to work in. If you're in Addition Concepts, click here. If you're on Chapter 3 with the Addition Strategies, click on Unit 2. I'm going to open up this link. These are our color maps. These are all our suggestions. And here's the assessment. Click on it, it'll open. Okay, and then you can download it. And now I can save it to my desktop or print it out.